Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 oil leak issue and the potential causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Oil leaks in the Ford F-150 are commonly described as oil spots under the truck, burning oil smells, low oil level warnings, or visible oil residue around engine components. Verified owner reports and service information show that oil leak concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on engine design, mileage, and maintenance history. One verified and frequently reported cause involves gasket and seal wear. Valve cover gaskets, oil pan gaskets, and front or rear crankshaft seals can degrade over time due to heat and age, allowing engine oil to seep or leak externally. Another confirmed cause relates to oil filter or drain plug sealing issues. Improperly installed oil filters, damaged filter gaskets, or worn drain plug washers can cause leaks shortly after oil changes, often appearing as fresh oil spots. Oil cooler or oil cooler line related leaks have also been documented in certain configurations. Seals or lines connected to the oil cooler may develop leaks, especially in higher mileage vehicles or those used for towing. Engine block or timing cover sealing issues are another verified factor. In some cases, oil may leak from timing cover seals or engine block interfaces, leading to oil accumulation near the front of the engine. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include excessive crankcase pressure, oil viscosity not matching manufacturer specifications, or residue from previous repairs being mistaken for active leaks. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper inspection. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include cleaning the engine to identify leak sources, replacing worn gaskets or seals, correcting oil filter or drain plug installation, inspecting oil cooler components, and ensuring proper oil type and level. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 oil leak issues are resolved through gasket or seal replacement rather than internal engine repair. However, experiences vary by model year, engine configuration, and how early the leak is addressed. In conclusion, Ford F-150 oil leaks are typically linked to aging gaskets and seals, service-related sealing issues, or oil cooler component wear. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.